Welcome to this tutorial on creating custom fields using the Fields Builder in the Real Estate Manager WordPress plugin. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of adding and configuring custom property fields. To get started, navigate to Real Estate Manager in your WordPress dashboard and click on Property Fields. This is where you can add and customize fields for property listings. On the left side, you'll see various field types, including text field, number field, drop-down, multi-select, and more. To add a field, simply drag and drop it into the Active Fields area. When you drop a field, a Settings pop-up appears. Let's go through these options. First, enter a label. This is the title that will appear on the property form. Next, provide a unique data name for the database. This should be in lowercase and use underscores instead of spaces. You can set a default value for this field, which will appear automatically in the form. If you want to provide additional guidance, add help text that appears below the field. In the accessibility section, you can control who can see this field. Choose from public for everyone, agent for property owners, admin for site administrators, or disable to temporarily hide it. That's it! You've successfully created a custom field in Real Estate Manager. Keep exploring different field types to enhance your property listings. If you found this tutorial helpful, like and subscribe for more tips on managing your real estate website.